after appeal, requested JDS to vote for you guys, but then to what Congress should learn and what the people of Karnataka should learn from JDS?
It's just proven that JDS is nothing but a B team of BJP. So I think the time and again we thought it would be otherwise, but they've already proven that they are a B team of BJP. First of all, I would like to congratulate Shri Jairam Ramesh sir. And as these results have proven, JDS is indeed a B team of BJP. They have facilitated a BJP candidate going to the Rajya Sabha over secular, we thought we share a secular ideology, but with this election, JDS has proved that they are nothing different from BJP and they are a B team batting for BJP.
Sir, somewhere Congress and JDS there is no proper coordination. What do you say about that?
See, it is not we are not talking about coordination. It is about the conscious vote and what Congress did in the past for Janata Dal candidates, and we made a chief minister out of with lesser number of MLAs, and even somewhere we were responsible for Janata Dal having a prime minister among their ranks.